Yo guys, welcome back to Cryptoria. Today I'm going to be covering Rentable, but before I do, I'd appreciate if you like, subscribe and turn on bell notifications so you know when I upload. And with that being said, let's get into this video. So guys, I have jumped straight onto the CoinMarketCap just to give you an insight of what Rentable is. So as you guys can see, Rentable, ticker name being RNB. I will be going over the website today. As you guys can see under the contracts, it is on the Ethereum blockchain. In terms of the pricing, as you guys can see, it is just underneath that dollar mark, around that 72 cent mark. It is actually up 2% over the last 24 hours, so it is doing pretty well. Current market cap, as you guys can see, is just over that 2.5 million. Please note it is a fairly new token, so that is a very good market cap for what it is at the moment. Circulating volume is just over that $86,000 mark. Going down towards the chart very briefly, as you guys can see, it did have that surge towards that $2.50, and unfortunately it did go all the way down to where it is at the moment. In terms of where you guys can buy it, best place being on Uniswap against the Ethereum. Just be aware of the high gas fees as well, but that is the best place to buy it. I will be jumping over onto the website now. So guys, I have jumped straight onto Rentable's website just to give you an insight what it is. So as you guys can see, evolution of renting cheaper, leaner crypto, advancing the move towards a decentralized sharing economy via employment of DeFi principles and trustless smart contracts, generating unprecedented value for participants and remedying existing market problems. Going over the opportunity, as you guys can see, a next-gen platform for massive untapped industry. So it is huge. There is not very much a lot of crypto-related projects that's actually related with the property search and niche. So as you guys can see, a groundbreaking solution bringing decentralized prop tech to the masses and enabling tenants and landlords to conveniently send and receive rental payments in different cryptocurrencies while streamlining market verticals, free of costly intermediaries, fraud prevention with immutable record of deeds, liquidity pool with staking for on-demand rental loans, mass adoption focus, and ease of use approach, token interoperability schedules. So it is huge what they're trying to do. So as you guys can see, automating process and services across a decentralized sharing economy. We are set to employ the industry disruptive capabilities of blockchain technology into prop tech at the first state-of-the-art platform. So guys, as you guys see here as well, there is a bunch of problems that they're trying to resolve as well. It's huge that these cryptocurrencies got an actual purpose. As you guys can see, they got the problems and they want to resolve the problem. In terms of the state-of-the-art platform, immutable records, decentralized economy, liquidity pool, autonomous contracts, and swift crypto processes. So go ahead and check these out as well. Earn and deposits. So the public token sale is now open. I'm pretty sure this is already finished. As you guys already saw, the chart is actually pretty much done, but go check that out as well. Going down to the roadmap, as you guys can see, they got a whole bunch of stuff already listed as well. The big ones obviously being the smart contracts that's enable stuff like NFTs and stuff has already been in the works as well. But that's all for Q4. As you guys can see, they got a whole bunch of stuff for Q4 and start of next year as well and beyond. So they have visioned a yearly plan already. They already got their team members here as well, so go and check that out as well. It's very good, especially for a new project and especially at this unique niche as well, that they got this already sorted, that they do have very transparent people behind it. So guys, I will be jumping on to some upcoming news now. So guys, back on my favorite website, CoinMarketCap. As you guys can see, there is a couple of listings that's actually been happening in terms of upcoming news. So big one's actually been today. As you guys can see, CEX exchange listing. So hopefully this goes on today, and hopefully there is an actual exchange that's actually going to be listed for these guys. So at the moment, as I already mentioned, it is currently only on Uniswap. So hopefully this goes through today. It actually says here that's actually going to be going on today. So hi fam, couple of updates to start the week. CEX listing is expected to go live for trading on July 9th 7 p.m. CET. So hopefully this goes through, and it does, and then that will be huge. Hopefully the price does actually go up and surge after this. In terms of other later news, as you guys can see, huge on being a rental smart contract. So rental agreement smart contract, RNB raffle smart contract, and demo mockups. So those three are pretty big news. There is a whole bunch of news that's on their website as well. It is good to dive deep into these as well, and jump on their Telegram and Twitter as well. They will be giving out more updates on that as well. So guys, I will be jumping straight onto the price analysis now. So guys, whatever's been waiting for, the price analysis. As you guys can see, I've jumped onto the daily time frame just because it is a fairly new coin. I won't be really giving a short-term analysis. So as you guys can see, it is circulating around that 75-cent mark, around where it is at the moment. I did mark out this level of zone here, which is around that dollar mark, around that $1.20 mark, and the all-time high around that $2.50, $2.40. So as you guys can see, there is that range at the moment. It did already have that massive surge from around that 50-cent mark roughly all the way to $2.50, and now it has actually unfortunately went all the way back down into this range around that dollar to around that 50-cent mark, as you guys can see. So hopefully what it does now, especially with the upcoming news is happening as well, hopefully what it does now is help push the price around that dollar mark, hopefully create that level of support around that level, and does actually keep above it, hopefully creating a lot of supports around that level and pushing that price back towards our all-time high. As I do see it's going back towards our all-time high, especially when it's a fairly new coin, guys. You have to be aware it's just literally been around a couple of months. This project's been around, so hopefully it's not just a pump and dump sort of scheme. It does seem to be a legit cryptocurrency coin. So hopefully what it does now, guys, they do have a lot of stuff coming up, and hopefully they do get these smart contracts pushed out later on this year, and hopefully that's help push the price back up towards our all-time high and going beyond that, as there is a lot of potential with this coin, especially as it is a fairly unique token. So that is my analysis, guys, in terms of long term. Hopefully it breaks that level of dollar, creates supports, and going up beyond that, mirroring these clean candles to the left. So guys, let me know what you guys think below about this project. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on bell notification for all future videos. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next video.